In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a crochet butterfly keychain. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. For today's crochet project, I'm so excited because today I'm going to show you how to crochet a butterfly keychain. I love butterflies, so I'm really excited to share with you this crochet project. Now, what do you need in order to follow along with me to create this butterfly keychain? Yarn, of course. I'll be using Red Heart Super Saver in the color white and pink. You'll also need a crochet hook. I'll be using a size letter G. You'll also need a pair of scissors, and you'll need a yarn needle to sew in your tails. Also, this is a keychain, so you will also need your keychain hooks to go ahead and finish that crochet butterfly up to be able to utilize it with your keys. Well, that's enough talking. I'm ready to roll up my sleeves just a tad, and I'm ready to get crocheting now. So let's get started with crocheting our crocheted butterfly keychain. Now this butterfly starts off with a magic circle. So if you do not know how to do that, it's okay. I'll put, like right here, a link to a tutorial where I show you step by step how to crochet a magic circle. Okay, now for the stitches that you would need to know in order to create this butterfly, you're going to need to know several different stitches. Single crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, and a slip stitch. If you do not know how to do any of those stitches, I'll also link over here a link to a series in which I did that will teach you the basic crochet stitches. Once you know how to do those stitches, then come on back and we can crochet this butterfly together. So I'm going to put the little butterfly right here and I'm going to stop talking and let's get crocheting. Okay, so I'm going to get started with creating my butterfly. I'm going to be using the color pink, and we're going to start off with creating a magic circle, or it's also called a magic ring. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do is chain 4. Now I already have one chain already on my hook. And so we're going to go ahead and do an additional 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. So that will give you a total of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now inside our magic circle, we're going to put a series of crochet stitches. So we're going to do 2 treble crochets. So yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That was 1 treble crochet. Let's do another one. Yarn over twice, insert the hook in, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay? Now we're going to chain 2. 1 and 2. Okay, now let's go ahead and do 2 single crochets inside our circle, and I'm just going to close up our circle just a little bit. Okay, so 2 single crochets inside our circle. So insert our hook in, pull up, 2 loops is on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's repeat that. Insert our hook into the circle, 2 loops is on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Chain 2, 1, 2, and let's do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert our hook into our circle, yarn over, we're going to pull through 2, yarn over, and we're going to pull through 2. Okay, and now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to do a slip stitch into our circle. Okay, now I'm just going to close up my circle just a little bit. And what we have just done is created the left side of our butterfly. Now let's go ahead and keep going because we got to do the other half. And when we're doing the other half, it's actually the reverse of what we just did. So we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, chain 2, 1, 2, and now we're going to do 2 single crochets into our magic circle. So 2 loops is on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, insert your hook into the circle, 2 loops is on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, chain 2, 1, 2, and let's do 2 treble crochets. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, we're going to do that again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now let's chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to slip stitch into the circle, but instead of pulling through the pink, we are going to pull through white, because the next thing that we're going to do is work on the edge of the butterfly. Okay, so I'm going to insert my hook into the circle, prepare my white, and I'm just going to like kind of fold it over just like this and put it on my hook. And like I said, instead of pulling through my pink, I'm actually pulling through my white. Okay, and I'm going to close up, pull through the close up my butterfly. Okay, all right, and then I'm going to chain 1. All right, now I'm going to pull up a little bit on my yarn, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip over my butterfly because I can go ahead and cut off my pink. Okay, there's my scissors. So we're going to go ahead and cut the pink off because we're actually done with the pink. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a reverse single crochet or the crab stitch. And that's going to go all around the edges of the butterfly. Okay. Now, usually when we're working any type of crochet project, we usually work this way. Okay. But with a reverse single crochet, we're actually going to work through the loops this way. So let me show you exactly what you're going to do. You're going to insert your hook into the next chain space, pull down on your yarn, 2 loops is on your hook, twist your hook up, yarn over, and pull your hook through. Okay, by doing this, you are creating a twisted effect with your yarn. Okay, so let me show you that again. So going into the next chain space, pull your yarn through, 2 loops is on your hook, twist it up, okay, yarn over, and pull your hook through. Okay, go ahead and continue to do that all the way around the edges of the butterfly, and I'll meet you when we have just a few more stitches of our butterfly to do. So with our last few, we're going to go ahead and insert our hook under the loop. Pull our white down, 2 loops is on the hook. Twist up, yarn over and pull through. Going up under the loops. Twist, yarn over and pull through. One more time. 2 loops is on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is slip stitch in the middle of the circle. All right. So there is our border onto our butterfly. Now for the middle portion of our butterfly, we're going to go ahead and chain 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Wrap the chain all around your butterfly. Just like that. And you're going to slip stitch to the top of your butterfly. Okay. All right. And our butterfly is beginning now to really take shape. So now let's go ahead and do our butterfly antennas. So we're actually going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do a half double crochet in this first chain from the hook. So yarn over, insert your hook into that first chain. You have 3 loops on your chain. On your hook. And you're going to pull through all 3 of those loops. Okay? Now, in each one of the following chains, you're going to put a slip stitch in each one of the chains. So go ahead and slip stitch in all of the remaining chains all the way down your butterfly's antenna. When you get to the bottom, do a slip stitch in your last chain. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do a slip stitch in the top portion of your butterfly. Okay. And now you're going to chain up 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to do the same thing that we did on this antenna. Pull up just a little bit. Half double crochet in this chain space. 1, 2, 3 chains is on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay. And now we're going to slip stitch all the way down our chains. Now let's do a slip stitch at the top of our butterfly. And we can go ahead and pull up on our yarn. And we can go ahead and cut. Now we can go ahead and sew in all of our tails. Now that we've sewn in all of our tails, we can go ahead and attach our keychain on to our butterfly. Here is our completed crocheted butterfly keychain. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.